Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the switch is dead with a non-contact tester. Once confirmed, remove the wall plate and unscrew the switch, placing screws in a small container so nothing gets lost. Because wiring can be confusing, take a clear photo of terminal positions, hot, neutral, and ground. This helps later when you reattach wires. Make sure to label any odd colors. That photo becomes your wiring map before you remove any conductors. Now disconnect wires one at a time, loosening the terminal screws and gently freeing each conductor so you don't mix them up. Once wires are loose, inspect the copper. If ends are frayed or corroded, strip about 1/2 inch cleanly and reshape into a tight loop for screw terminals or prepare for backwire holes. Next, compare the new switch to the old. Verify single pole versus three-way terminals and match labeled hot and traveler wires so functionality stays consistent. Attach each wire to its matching terminal on the new switch, tightening screws until snug. You want firm contact, not stripped screws. Once wired, carefully push the switch back into the box, secure mounting screws, and reattach the wall plate. Restore power at the breaker and test the switch operation. If it doesn't work, immediately cut power again. Then recheck your connections, ensure the tester is working, verify the breaker, and confirm you use the correct switch type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.